Guys, please check your audio and video settings, please. I think, please respond, guys. Yesterday we are busy developing what application? Design pattern 614. Third use case we completed. Now time has come to implement that business delegate implementation, right? And this is our diagram of business delegate implementation, guys. Okay, employee record we want to save into multiple tables. File new, guys, paste it. NTSP BMS 714, guys. NTSP BMS 714. Spring here. Design patterns here. NTDP 614. Business delegate design pattern. Business delegate design pattern. Yeah, business delegate DP implementation. March 1st, 2022. March 1st, 2022. Got it, guys? Okay, what is this? Business delegate DP implementation. This is the exact application, guys. Yeah, this comes under what, guys? View. This comes under what? Controller. This comes under what, guys? View. This comes under what, guys? View. Nice. This comes under what, boss? Model layer. Okay. Here what will be there, guys? Persistence logic, right? What will be there, guys? Persistence logic. Done. Persistence logic. Yes. This comes under what, guys? Model only. Model layer. Model layer. This comes under model layer. Yeah, this is the exact application, guys. Fine. Let's first time I'm developing the web application, guys. dynamic web project. I'm not using any Maven kind of thing. I'm just taking normal application only. But first of all, I have to configure server, one or other server with our application. Let me configure server, guys. Here is my server, runtime environment, add. Okay, let's take Tomcat server. Apache, Tomcat 9 or 10, anything you can take. That's not an issue. But when you take 10, package names will change a little bit. Guys. Be careful. The package names will change. Instead of Java X dot, you will get Jakarta dot. You have to code accordingly only. Tomcat installation folder. In my system, Tomcat is already there. Tomcat 10 boss. Yes. Default JRE. Save finish. Apply. Okay. Done, boss. This is the story of what design pattern, guys. Yeah. Now server is ready. Tell me. File new dynamic web project. What, guys? File new dynamic web project. Tell me here what is there. File new dynamic web project. Employee management. Okay. Business delegate. Okay. Business delegate. MVC application. Business delegate MVC application. Say next, guys. Say next. Say finish. Say next, say next, say finish. Cool. Okay. So these are the various jars, guys. Oh, what's happening? Why error? Just ignore web.xml problem. That's a version related issue, guys. Here is my 2.4. Okay. Yes, I have to close web app tag, guys. Super. Web app, guys, that's fine. Go to src main Java. Here I have to take the packages. Package, guys. com.nt.vivo. Package. com.nt.bo. New package. com.nt.service. Here service is nothing but delegate, guys. In Spring level, business delegate only has become delegate, guys. Package. com.nt.dao. Nice, guys. New package. com.nt. Error or exception. com.nt.error or exception, boss. Anything else, guys? Controller is missing. Okay. Package. com.nt. What's that? What's that? com.nt. BO, DAO, delegate, exception, VO. Come on. BO, DAO, delegate, exception, DO. Yeah, hey, no repository, nothing. Controller. Alright, stop thinking in Spring level. Just think in what? Servlet JSP level. These design patterns are given by keeping J2W technologies in mind. Okay, boss. Now I need to create tables ready, boss. I need to keep 2 tables ready, guys. Let me check whether tables are already there. HB underscore HR underscore employee. HB is there, HR is not there, guys. Fine. Okay, no problem. Okay, let me check. Is there any design BD underscore? Not there. Okay, we'll create now. New table, guys. Business delegate underscore HR underscore employee. Business BD HR underscore employee. Employee number. Size how much? 10. Okay. Next, employee name. Varchar 2. Next, employee address. What, guys? Employee address. This is employee address, guys. Next, employee number, employee name, employee address. After that, what is the next story, guys? What is the next story, boss? Are you with me? Right. What is the designation? Are HR na? HR does not bother about salary, boss. HR does not bother about salary. Okay. Right, boss. Designation. Super. Employee number, employee name, employee address, designation, guys. Done. Yeah, we are ready with the table, guys. Where is the table story? BD underscore. Yeah, this is the SQL was. I'm trying to get SQL query. I'm trying to get the SQL query here. Copy this, boss. Yes, let's go for where is this? Where is this? Text file, db script.txt. Yes, paste. db script.txt. Yes, paste. Nice. Okay. Similarly, I have to create one more table, boss. Similarly, I have to create one more table. Tell me what is another table I'm looking for. One other table. Come here. BD underscore. New table. BD underscore. Business delegate underscore. What is that? Finance underscore. Finance underscore employee. BD underscore finance underscore employee. Yes. Tell me what is the table, guys? Employee number size 10 done plus employee name size varchar 220 employee address size varchar 2. Here, if this fellow is not interested in DAO designation, okay, fine, let's take designation varchar 2. But along with this fellow interested in salary was. This fellow interested in what? Salary part. Definitely this fellow is interested in salary part. Salary, what is there? Floating point he can take. Yes, boss. Registration only, na? Fine. So where is this? BD underscore. BD underscore. Finance underscore employee, guys. HR underscore employee market. Finance underscore employee market. Here is my SQL. This is semicolon. Next. Now what is next, guys? Business delegate MVC APP, guys. Now time has come to go for sequence generation. I want one sequence, guys. And I don't want to manually generate employee number. I want some sequence to be generated. Here is my sequence, guys. Right click, new sequence. Right click, new sequence. Next, tell me here. Employee number underscore sequence. Employee, okay, we'll take like this. BD underscore employee underscore number underscore sequence. Start with 1, increment by 1, minimum value 1, maximum value 1000. Okay, done. Say refresh. BD underscore employee underscore number, guys. Yes, guys. Now we are ready with all these things. Now I'll keep a copy of this one in the paintbrush also. I'll keep copy of this in the paintbrush, boss. Done. All the table part is over, boss. Now I need to have a factory package also, guys. com.nt dot. Okay. No, there is no relation between. I want to talk about registration, Rabab. com.nt.factory. Here I am going to have connection factory, guys. Connection factory kind of thing. And I'm going to have some properties was package. com.nt.commons. com.nt.commons. And in this example, I would like to implement server managed JDBC connection. What, guys? Server managed JDBC connection. I don't want to work with direct connection. I would like to work with server managed connection pool. Okay. To create JDBC data source pointing to JDBC connection pool for Oracle. Pointing to JDBC connection pool for Oracle in Eclipse managed Tomcat server. In Eclipse managed Tomcat server, guys. Okay. Step number 1. Add the following resource tag. Where I should add resource tag, guys? Where I should add resource tag? In context.xml file of. What .xml file, guys? Context.xml file of Tomcat server. Add the following resource tag in context.xml file of Tomcat server, guys. Are you comfortable, guys? Right. Everyone knows. Those who are my student, they are already aware, guys. Okay. Once server is configured successfully, you will get servers folder here. Why there is no servers folder in Project Explorer, guys? That means Tomcat server is not configured properly. Why I'm not getting that servers folder? Apply and close. Apply and close. Where are you, servers option? Preferences. Runtime environment. Edit. Yeah. Apache Tomcat. This one. This one. No, it is. Acha, here also we have to add. Yeah, sometimes it won't come, guys. It won't come. Yes, then we have to add from here also. Done. Then servers option has come now, boss. Okay, I think then what I should do, I'll make this one as step 2, guys. I'll make this one as step 2. Step number 1. Make sure that Tomcat server is configured. Make sure that Tomcat server is configured. Okay. Tomcat server, either 9.x or 10.x in Eclipse ID. What ID was? In Eclipse ID. That is number 1. Number 2. Okay. Yeah, go to server section. Go to context.xml section. Here is my resource tag, guys. Under context tag, we should place resource tag. Yeah. Show server. Okay. Under those who don't have, Servlet knowledge, maybe server configuration, Tomcat looks new. Those who got servlet knowledge, all these are left hand works, right? Every day we do this. Under context tag, we have to place resource tag or not. Under context tag, we have to place resource tag. But are you going to mug up that resource tag, guys? No. We are going to get resource tag from here. edry tomcat 10.x conf folder. Here is my already sample. Sample will be there. Where, guys? Sample one. I think it is in sample will be there. Go to web apps folder. Go to docs folder. Go to index.html. JDBC data sources. JDBC data sources. Super, guys. This is the resource tag we should add, guys. This is the resource tag we have to add. Where, guys? Under context tag. Under context tag only, na boss. Come on. Yeah. Data, so JNDA name, guys. DSJNDA. DSJNDA. Okay. What is the URL? JDBC colon Arkil colon @localhost 1521XC. What is the username, guys? System. What is the password, guys? Manager. Okay. What is the username? System. What is the password? Manager. Max total 20. Max idle 10. Max wait milliseconds -1. Max wait milliseconds what? Max wait milliseconds is 10, guys. Come on. That's it. Resource name DSJNDI. Auth is equal to this. This we have to place, boss. Add following context.xml. In context.xml file under context tag. In context.xml file under context tag. Driver class. Driver word is optional. Driver word is optional nowadays. You place it, you don't place it, really does not matter. Okay, now right, guys. Step number 3, restart the server. Restart the server. Restart the Tomcat server. Okay, if it is already, if it is already running. If it is already running, we have to restart it. If it is already running, you have to restart it. Nice, guys. Step number 1, step number 2, step number 3. Oh, resource is not coming as a tag. Okay, we'll place it. Yes. Already server is not started. Okay, if you start the server, anyhow, it will create the data source bus. It will create the data source. Fine. Okay, now my work is this is done. Yes. Yeah, I don't want to, yes, one or other place I have to write JNDA name. One or other place, definitely I need to write JNDA name. Okay. The right place to write JNDA name is what? The right place to write JNDA name is what? Come on. Yeah, properties file, because I want to provide flexibility of modification, guys. Go to project, commons. Here is my, okay, file. File is not there. Let's search for file. Tell me jdbc dot properties. jdbc dot properties. Tell me data source name dsj. But in case of Tomcat, we should add some prefixes now, boss. Java colon slash COMP slash ENV slash. Remember that? Okay. Data source dot JNDI. What dot JNDI, guys? Data source dot JNDI. Come on, convinced or not? Are you convinced or not, boss? Come on. Data source dot JNDI. Super. Okay. Now I have to develop this connection factory class, guys. I have to develop this connection factory class. What factory class, guys? Connection factory class. In this connection factory class, what's my interest, you know? What's my interest, you know? I have to collect the content. I have to get the JNDA name from where? Okay. And I have to use it while establishing the connection. Okay. Oh, tell me what I'm going to do here is, I have to locate the properties file and I have to get it, boss. Now listen, it's not a normal application. It's a web application. Locating properties file in web application is a quite challenging work. For that purpose, we have to think about dealing with what? Properties file, guys. We have to think about resource bundle class kind of thing. What bundle, guys? Resource bundle. That is the best one to collect the things from properties file. Now let's see, guys. Okay. Private string JNDI name. DSJNDI name. Private string DSJNDI name. This is my connection factory class. What class was? This is my connection factory class, guys. Right. Tell me what is there in that? Static block, guys. DSANDA name, private string DSANDA name. Super. connection factory. Let me rename the file, guys. I'm just thinking better to write this logic in the static block here. Better to write the moment class is loaded, it will try to collect it. Come on, no problem. Yeah, tell me what is this? Resource bundle. Bundle is equal to resource bundle dot get bundle of resource bundle dot get bundle of. Come on. Okay. What is the file name, guys? com slash nt slash commons slash tell me, guys, log4j. It should not be log4j, guys. It should be JDBC. JDBC dot pro. You no need of giving dot properties. No need of giving any dot properties, guys. Yeah. After that, what is the next, guys? Okay. Tell me. DS JNDA name is equal to. Okay. Static block now I have to take in a static variable. DS JNDA name is equal to. Here is what? Bundle dot. Okay. Bundle dot get string of data source dot JNDA. Data source dot JNDA. Super. Okay. That's it, guys. Nothing great. Nothing great. If any problem is there in this process, catch exception E dot print stack. Catch exception E dot print stack. Are you comfortable, my dear? Come on, com slash nt slash commons slash JDBC. DSJNDA name. Bundle dot get string data source dot JNDA. Okay. After that, what is next story, boss? This is my catch block, guys. This is my catch block. Static here, try here, catch here. Tell me next one. Public connection. Public collection. Come on. There is no path. I just know now. Tanuj, mudder fellow. You cannot get the clarity. com.nt.commons. I should show in Internet Explorer. You are this much muddy fellow. Can't you see package? Can't you see package? I don't know how you are at things in this one. Right, boss. Public static connection. Tell me, guys. Get pooled connection. Pooled JDBC connection off. Get pooled JDBC connection off. Here is my word, guys. Throws SQL exception, comma naming exception. Okay. get data source object from JNDI registry. Data source DS is equal to data source DS is equal to, come on. Okay, data source DS is okay. First of all, I have to create initial context object, guys. Create initial context object. Initial context is equal to new initial context of. Super. Data source DS is equal to data source dot. Okay. IC dot lookup. Oh, context dot lookup. Fine. Context dot lookup. Tell me. DSJNDA. Java X dot SQL dot data source. Next. Get pooled JDBC connection object. What's that, guys? Get pooled JDBC connection object. Connection con is equal to ds dot get connection. Oh, you need not to hard code, guys. There is no need of hard coding. DSJNDI name. What JNDI name, guys? DSJNDI name. Connection con is equal to ds dot get connection. Clear, my dear guys? Connection con is equal to ds dot get connection. Then what is this? Return connection. Any doubts? A resource bundle locates the given properties file and gets all keys and values. By submitting key, I can get the value. Okay. And I'm using that key here to get the data source object. And from data source object, I'm trying to get the pooled connection object. Is that clear? Easy, boss? Fine. Right. Connection factory is ready, boss. Now, shall I take DAO part here? Shall I take DAO part here? HR employee DAO. HR employee. I fear interface, guys. HR employee DAO. But before developing these methods, guys, first let me complete my VO, BO classes. Because in the DAO, I have to interfere, I have to involve this VO. According to diagram, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, for salary also coming, designation also coming. Employee number won't come. Yeah, whatever we read, we have to store into VO class object now, boss. Yes, boss. Tell me, new class, employee VO. New class employee VO. VO contains all its properties as string properties, na? VO class contain all its properties as the string properties. All its properties as the string properties, guys. Tell me here, what is this? Public string. What, guys? Public string. Come on. Yeah, public string, employee name, public string, employee address, private. Tell me, guys. String, employee designation. Tell me, next, salary. If you are interested, you can use Lambda KPI also. Right now, I have not added Lambda KPI support, guys. You want me to add Lambda API support? I think everyone is aware of Lambda API. I hope everyone is aware of Lambda API. What do you say, guys? Whoever attending today's class, they are aware of Lambda API. Is there anyone who don't know what is Lambda API? If there, please type no in the chat box. No in the chat box. I think I am not getting any no. Since I am not getting any no, let me add Lambda API jar. Let's take the advantage of it. Class path. Add externals, guys. Okay, go to downloads. Go to downloads. Here is my Lambda. Here is my lambda.jar. Am I right? Lambda.jar. Okay, I have to move this one to runtime also. Here is my deployment assembly, guys. Done. Okay, add, guys. Build path entries, guys. Apply. Okay, boss. Yes, my dear. Here, what is this? At the rate data. At the rate data, boss. At the rate data, boss. Private string employee name, employee address, designation, salary. Okay. This will give me getter setter methods or not. Let me check. Okay, guys. Yeah, getter setter methods came automatically. Who is taking care of? At the rate data is taking care of that. Fine. Okay, now what is this? BO. New class. What is there? Abstract class. Abstract class. Are common properties of both BOs. I'll try to put in what? I will try to put in what? In BO class, in base BO class. Person BO. What is that, guys? Person BO. Why abstract? This is there just to maintain common properties. That's it. Nothing else. Private employee number is not there. Employee number will be generated dynamically. We know that. But okay, that's why we will take what? Employee name, private string, employee address, private string, employee designation. These are very much common properties or not? Come on. These are very much common properties or not? At the rate data. Nice. At the rate data. Here is my what, guys? At the rate data was. Common getter setter methods have come. Next. Class, guys. Okay. HR employee BO. What is the super class? Person BO. What is that BO, guys? Person BO. Person BO. Tell me next. Private. Tell me. Private. What is there, guys? Yeah, what is there, guys? Private string. Private string. What is there? Private string designation. These are specific properties now, boss. No, yeah, designation is also common property now, boss, in both classes. Name, address. Okay. I think this is. I'll do one thing then. I'll do one thing then. Are nothing. What is there in that? What is a table? Are we have to go by tables, right? We cannot take anything you want. Table, employee number, name, address, designation. Number, name, address, designation, salary. I understood what to do. Okay, this person BAO itself will make it as what? HR employee BAO, because only one property is extra in finance DAO. HR employee DAO. HR employee BO. Save finish. Yeah, all common properties are there here. Okay, next file, save as finance employee BO, finance employee BO, finance employee BO. Tell me, extends HR employee. Finance employee BO extends HR employee. Tell me here, what is this, guys? Private double salary is extra. I think this is better now, boss. I found only one extra property. What is need of redesigning total class from the scratch? There is no need of redesigning total class from the scratch. It's a better option or not? Come on. Right. BOs are ready. Okay. Now DAOs, boss. HR employee DAO. HR employee DAO. Okay. Tell me here. I'll take one more common interface for both guys. I'll take one more common interface for both guys, which is a empty interface, marker interface kind of thing. I employee DAO, guys. HR employee DAO. Okay. I employee DAO, it's an empty interface. Next, HR employee DAO extends, tell me, I employee DAO. Are you getting my point here, guys? Come on. Public interface HR employee DAO extends what? I employee DAO. Public. Array, I'm taking a written type int. Array, when record inserted, you will get either true or false, right? I mean, it is a 0 or 1. 0 or 1. When both DAOs gives 1, I have to commit the transaction. If any DAO gives 1, 0, I don't want to commit the transaction. Or you can take Boolean also. You can take Boolean, your choice, boss. You can take Boolean. True for successfully inserted record, false for not inserted. It's up to you. It's up to you, boss. If any exception comes, also you can return false. Not a problem. Insert to employee. Insert to employee. Tell me, guys. What is this? HR employee DA, HR employee BO, HR BO. Yes, boss. Throws SQL exception. Throws what, guys? Throws SQL exception. Okay, that's it. I'm basically taking SQL exception. File save as I finance employee DAO. I finance employee DAO. Come on. I finance employee DAO. Yes, Boolean employee. Here, what is this? Finance employee BO. Finance employee BO. What is this? Finance BO. Clear, guys? Finance employee BO, finance BO, guys. Right. We are ready with both BOs. Assignments are both DAO classes. I have kept only common interface so that we can return one of them. We can return one of them from the DAO factory. Right, boss? Now let's have a look now. Class HR employee DAO IMPL implements IHR employee DAO. Save, okay, finish. Now tell me what is there? Query part, guys. What is the query part? Private static final string HR underscore insert underscore HR underscore employee. Insert underscore HR underscore employee. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Insert underscore HR underscore employee. Tell me. Insert into what into, guys? Insert into yes, guys. Insert into what is our table, guys? BD underscore HR underscore employee HR underscore employee. Tell me values. Yeah, if employee number is going to come through sequence. What is our sequence name, guys? Be active, Babu. You are now so dull. Okay, BD underscore employee number underscore sequence. BD underscore employee number underscore sequence dot next value. Sequence dot next value. Question mark, question mark, question mark. Array in HR table, how many records, how many columns are there? 4 columns. Semicolon. Insert into BD underscore HR underscore employee values BD underscore employee number underscore sequence dot next value. How many question marks are there, guys? 3 more question marks are there. 3 question marks are there. Fine, boss. And here I should write logic to insert the record. Don't forget that. I must write logic to insert the record. Okay. Achha, 1 minute. We keep this formula, guys. We don't propagate just exception. Everywhere we always keep only one formula. What is that? Catch, handle. Come on. Catch, handle. Also rethrow the exception. Throw it. Okay. Naming exception, guys. Throw name. Throw naming exception. If any unknown exceptions are raised, exception E. Throw E. But at the same time, I would like to get the details of the exception. SC dot print stack trace, NE dot print stack trace, E dot print stack trace. E dot print stack trace. End of the method, end of the class. Then this is better. This comes under exception rethrowing concept or not? Exception rethrowing concept. Exception rethrowing concept. Yeah, here also we apply the same formula, my dears. Right. Tell me. Get pooled JDBC connection object. Get pooled JDBC connection object. Get pooled JDBC connection object, guys. Yes, boss. Tell me now. Okay. Connection con. I have to close. I have to take outside. Connection con is equal to null. Con is equal to connection con. This is my JDBC connection object, guys. Tell me where is the method? Connection factory dot get pooled JDBC connection object. It will get one connection object, guys. Create JDBC prepared statement object. Okay. Prepared statement PS is equal to null. Come on. PS is equal to con dot prepare statement of query. Set values to query params. Set values to query params, guys. PS dot set string 1 comma HRBO dot get employee name. PS dot set string 2 comma HRBO dot get employee address. Set string 3 comma HRBO dot get employee designation. HRBO dot get employee designation. Execute the query. What is the query, guys? Execute the query. Execute the query. Tell me, guys. Int count is equal to ps dot execute update. ps dot execute update. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Okay. If count is equal to 0, return false. Else, return true. Try. Catch block. SQL exception, yes. SQL exception, yes. SC dot print stack trace. Return false. If any problem comes, return false. Oh, there is no meaning of saying return false. Okay, no problem. Where is this, guys? Throw yes. Array exception propagation is required now, boss. Okay. Tell me. Naming exception. Ne dot print stack trace. Throw ne. Naming exception, guys. This method will take care of naming exception. Okay. Okay, otherwise, we'll do one thing. We'll keep everything as unknown exception. Exception E. E dot print stack trace. E dot print stack trace throw. Add throws exception. Oh, it is expecting throws exception. Huh? Fine, no problem. We'll do that then. Comma exception. Yes, boss. Now we are getting details, guys. Finally, blocks, guys. What box, guys? Finally, blocks. Finally, blocks. Then what should I do? Finally, blocks. Finally, block. Here, try. If PS not equal to null, PS dot close. Catch. SQL exception, SC. SC dot print stack. Okay. Con not equal to null, con not close. Yes, boss. Tell me next one. What's the last one we are having, guys? PS not equal to null, everything. End of the finally block, end of the method. End of the finally block, end of the method. Okay. It's worried about Boolean statement, boss. It's worried about Boolean. When exception comes, no need of going for finally block, guys. Finally block also you need not to. Okay. Finally block also. Right. Is that clear? Understood what I'm trying to do here? If successfully inserted, true. If a problem in insertion, false. Okay. Any exceptions are raised, anyhow they will be propagated. Anyhow they will be propagated. I need not to do anything. Yeah. Got it, guys? Like this every day, few lines of code. I think another 1.5 day only this discussion we are going to see, guys. I hope you got the clarity, my dear. Come on. Please respond in the chat box. Is that clear? Why I have taken return type boolean, you understood? Yeah, if you don't want to take boolean, you can take int also. Array, you can take int and you can return 0 or 1 as it is. That's up to you. You can return 0 or in 1 as it is, guys. That's up to you. That's not a big distribution. Thank you, guys. We'll meet tomorrow and we will discuss.